So this is the Yoco GO, and it's Yoco's smallest card machine. Today we are going to have a look at what it is, how it works, what do you get in the box, how to connect it to your phone, and how to accept payments. Also, if you guys would like $100 discount on this or up to $500 discount on one of the other devices, stick around because in the video I'm going to tell you how. Welcome back to the Burton studio. Let's get started. So guys, just before we get started here, full disclosure, I bought this card machine with my own personal money and I've got no affiliation to Yoco. They didn't ask me to make the video, I'm making it for you guys so that you can see exactly what you are getting before you actually purchase the device. Also, the other Yoco card machine video reviews that I've done, they seem to be quite popular, so in case you missed those, there will be links in the description. Go check them out, they are pretty interesting. The other devices are here. That said, if you do find this video useful, I'd really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up. Also, a sub to the channel would be fantastical. Anyway, this is the Yoco GO card machine, and it basically allows you to accept card payments and have that money paid directly into your own bank account within 2 business days. Well, at least in my experience, that's how it has worked. But I suppose this would depend on the type of bank that you're with. However, how does it work? Well, it's actually pretty simple. The Yoco GO needs to be paired with a smartphone via Bluetooth, and it's used with the Yoco app to accept payments. So unlike the original Khumo or the Khumo Print, these are 2 standalone devices. Those don't need to be connected to anything, however this does. So your customer or your friends, if they owe you some bucks, can tap, swipe, insert their card. It also accepts Apple Pay, VISA and Mastercard, so there's no more excuses. And if you haven't already noticed, it is really small. It pretty much disappears in your pocket. The device charges here at the bottom with a micro USB, and it takes approximately 1 hour to fully charge the battery. So what do we get in the box? My Yoco GO was delivered like this in a brown paper bag. Inside that is the actual device box. Now, the packaging is really nice, very pretty, very sturdy, and it is very well protected. However, looking nice isn't that important. What is actually important is what is inside. So as we slide the box open, the first thing we are greeted with is well, a whole bunch of stickers. I'm pretty sure these are supposed to be at the bottom. 3 stickers to be exact, a quick start guide and another larger sticker. And one of these little card standy things. Clearly my origami skills are not very good. And finally, we are greeted with the Yoco GO card machine itself. Underneath the orange cover is a USB-A to micro USB charge cable and a lanyard. Luckily enough, the Yoco GO is a once-off payment of $699. Well, at least at the time of recording this video. And that is it. No monthly fees, no contracts. Freaking awesome. Now, you will, however, be charged a small fee every time you make a successful sale, and that fee is 2.95% excluding VAT, or it works out to be about 3.4% including VAT, and that is of your transaction value. The fee also decreases the more turnover you had, which is pretty cool. So earlier I mentioned getting $100 discount, and I'm going to tell you exactly how to do that. But before I do, if you like the video so far, please give it a thumbs up and leave us a comment. It is always really nice to hear from you guys. So in the description and at the top of the comment section, there is a referral link. Go click on that link and it'll take you directly through to the official Yoco website, and they will handle the remainder of the sign up and purchase from there. No funny business. And your device should arrive within 3 business days, and that is my experience. If you guys want $500 discount though, you can use that same link, and that will apply to buying the Yoco Khumo Print card machine. Just please keep this in mind though, this is correct for the time of recording this video, so things may change over time depending on what promotions are running and that type of thing. But not to worry, if you are unsure, just click on the link. There are a few details you need to complete, and then you can see, or well, select the device that you want and see exactly how much discount you're going to get. So if you're happy with that, then you can just go ahead, go check out, make payments, your card machine will arrive. And if not, then not to worry, just go back, close the browser, and yeah, I suppose carry on doing whatever you were doing. Anyway, let's have a look at how to connect it to your phone and how to accept payments. So the first thing is to download the Yoco app and log in using the email address that you used when you signed up using that link in the description. Then go ahead and turn on your Yoco GO. Now open the app and select More at the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down and select Settings and then select Card Machine. Now you need to select your card machine by either swiping left or right and then select This is my card machine. The app will remind you to turn on the card machine, and yes, it is on, of course, because we turned it on earlier. And now the app will search for your machine. Once it's found, select pair and you'll be notified once your device is connected. You may also need to confirm the serial number. And that is it. Now you are ready to accept payments. So accepting payments is also very simple. All you have to do is select Sell in the Yoco app, that's at the bottom of the screen, and then enter the amount of the transaction. Or if you have products in your catalog, head over to the products section and select the product that is being purchased. Once selected, we can check out by selecting Charge and then present the Yoco GO card machine to your customer. They can make payments by either tapping, inserting, or swiping their card. Now, depending on the amount, they may be required to enter their PIN. Not a problem, just enter your PIN and then the transaction should be approved. Once it is approved, it will be displayed on the card machine and in the app. So as a side note, a quick size comparison between the Yoco GO and the Yoco Khumo shows just how small the GO really is. And if we compare that to the Yoco GO Print, that's what it looks like. So these two, well, the Khumo Print and the Khumo are standalone card machines, so they don't need to be connected to a smartphone in any way. If you want to know more about those two, I will leave links in the description to video reviews that I've already done on those. Anyway, thank you very much for watching. My name is Burton. This is the Burton Builds Studio, and we'll see you soon. Cheers. Depending on the amount, whoa, that's not working. Let's take 2, 3, 4, I don't know. Stick to the script, you mampara.